Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Opensea application with your Coinbase mobile wallet step by step. Our first step being that your mobile wallet is connected. That's your Coinbase mobile wallet. It's connected. You head over to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, you make sure your wallet is connected. As you can see, it's an unnamed wallet. You can as well disconnect by using the exit icon at the top right corner of the screen listed here. So that's good to know. So in order to use this connected wallet, if you do possess some cryptocurrency assets, which you might on your wallet, you simply scroll down and select a cryptocurrency asset you'd love to purchase. Let's say we're looking for one of these trending NFT collections to purchase. As you can see, their prices are listed, or the volume their volumes are listed. You simply click on Bored Ape. You scroll down, take account of the total volume, the best offers, and you can buy this NFTs for 6.6 Ethereum. There are so many of them. You just pick the one that are unique to you, click on it. Let's say I want to get this particular NFT. Its current price is 7.6 Ethereum, $13,000. So you simply click on Connect Wallet to buy. Click on Connect Wallet. Okay, it shows this option because you don't possess any Ethereum on your wallet. If you do not possess any Ethereum on your wallet, you cannot purchase this NFT without a wallet connected. You have to connect a wallet that contains Ethereum on the OpenSea.io application. You have to connect one, and with that you'll be able to make use of the OpenSea.io app. There's still much you can do. You can still buy other tokens. You can still create. If you come here, you can upload your tokens as well. You can search for the tokens you've uploaded before if they are connected to your Ethereum address. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can use the OpenSea application with your Coinbase wallet, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.